Welcome to the installation of the Yakima BaseLine rack with Steel CoreBars. The BaseLine rack is a fit for naked roof vehicles with a load capacity of 165 pounds on most cars. The CoreBar system is a step up from the round bars and are designed to be quieter and more aerodynamic. To begin installation, start by removing the covers from the BaseLine towers. You will notice grip points on the sides of the cover where you will pinch and pull away from the tower to properly remove it. Slide the gray tab out to reveal the pitch adjustment screw. Next, take the seat from the CoreBar kit and snap it into place on top. You should hear an audible click when it's properly installed. Then line up the thread on the CoreBar adapter to the screw and hold it in place with your finger. Turn the tower around and thread the screw a few times until the adapter is loosely attached. Be sure to align the adapters to the proper direction. Once all 4 towers are set up, proceed to slide the towers onto the bar. Refer to your base clip chart and locate your vehicle and M1 measurement, which is for the front bar. With the arrow on the bar pointing toward you, use the measuring tape provided and measure out from the bottom of the inside tower to inside tower the dimension for your vehicle. Be sure to evenly space the towers on the bars. Repeat these steps for the rear bar using the M3 dimension. The BaseLine towers offer varying pitch degrees based on the curvature of the vehicle's roof, position A, position B, and position C. When using steel CoreBars, you will want to refer to your P1 measurement for the front bar and P2 for the back. Once the towers are measured out properly, adjust the pitch screw to the proper position and tighten down the screw with the torque wrench until you have multiple clicks from the handle. Yakima's BaseLine towers also offer 3 twist degrees to help properly fit the car roof lines as well. Position 1, Position 2, and Position 3. Based on the base clip directions, locate your T1 number. With the arrow on the CoreBar pointing at you, apply this to the front bar towers and tighten until the torque wrench clicks. Repeat these steps for the rear bar using the T2 measurement. Locate the proper pads for the tower and align the cutout in the pad to the outside of the tower and snap it into place. It should easily pivot on the tower. Now it is time to attach the bars to the roof. Place the front bar on the roof with even spacing on both sides and measure the proper M2 distance from the edge of the pad diagonally to the corner where the windshield seam meets the metal roof. Open the gray swing door and proceed to slide the proper base clip into the slot underneath. It should hook onto the silver harness. Pull on the clip to make sure it's attached. Once attached, begin by tightening the pivot screw until the clip lightly touches the roof edge. Then proceed to tighten the adjuster bolt until it lightly touches the roof edge. If possible, it is best to have someone on each side tighten the bolts simultaneously. If not, tighten each side little by little until the torque wrench clicks multiple times for both screws. For the rear bar, locate the M3 measurement for your vehicle. Measure out the towers to the proper distance. Locate the proper P2 and T2 measurements and adjust the towers and tighten the bolts. Using the M4 measurement, measure from the front of the CoreBar to the front of the rear bar. Then repeat the same steps as the front bar to tighten down the rear bar. To attach the covers, line up the bottom hooks with the slots on the towers, then snap the cover into place. Then proceed to push the end caps into the bars. Additional locks may be purchased to lock the covers onto the towers. Thanks for watching the installation of Yakima's baseline rack with Steel CoreBars. If you have any further questions, please visit our site or call us at 800-272-5362. And remember, we fit your lifestyle.